Parliament who are going to come and lead us over the next 4 years. We are not looking for a Reverend Father to lead us in prayer on Sunday in church. We are not looking for an Imam to lead us in prayer on Friday congregational prayers. We are looking for somebody who is capable of managing this country. And so religion doesn't come in. Let's put Christianity aside, let's put Islam aside. We are looking at who can run Ghana's business to make life better for Christians and for Muslims. I have a track record. When I was president, I did not discriminate. I worked as much for Muslims as...
Okay. So the former president, Nasem Yinane say, Nemreso, when ye san ayi Gambo, and I when ye Chrisosum, Ojina Finfin ma Bibia Kosukama, Ghana for Kotwaba, Habana Ekotono, Yempesofu say Ekotwaba Masofu, and I Kotwaba ma Imambi, no de Yako Fiada Kobompa, ye po be obet me out to a mino, and she say ye, that Bibia Koso. And Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, and Mabunu Shiai across Ghana, or the Ninsem Yina to 2 omenim. Edian Sem no Brobroso. Yabom will be joining me very soon, and we'll be looking at that also. Now, Yashen Sema the 2 Ghana for him across Ghana. What they did, all the 16 regions, they had places on screen with the youth gathered and Chesene enyasem ketwa kra. Okay. We'll look at those issues. And now no pay. I'll be hosting His Excellency Daniel Atabuafu, Ghana Consul General, New York City. Honorable Kyoko Frimpong, former DC in Suta. Na metra se ni ahwe ya bobo oman no ahwe oman no nsem eno ntino hwe se unyi wa fidie no emfiri ha omu na bibia anya dai enkoso kama na ya was said to one thing. If you're a Ghanaian, you should understand and know is this about 2 ya yekoto no akojina afanu mienu so. John Dramani Mahama says that he needs to reset Ghana. Also, man, say, baby, I could do no. Just or chill man ba na or the abegina baby, I'll bet me as a shassia to Tonyema because Nana Kufuado Membono was saying near me P. And he was so much dear friend resetting. Okay. We are no free one. But me also say, "Oh my idea, parent, no see omo upgrade ni omaye no." Okay. Ya beba ho. Bank of Ghana governor aka asembi. O say, "Sene obese dollar every 17 eba 10. Obetima ye amaba." Name of the obusa Ghana ni say, "Sa knee-jerk reaction. Firefight approach ayede aye dollar ni cedi no ano eno ne epe osi omo almost about 8 billion ewo asa 8 billion no betimi dey dey ahwiagum na kina ya dollar tia ba bia 10 and 8 na Ghana for badge so ade be na sa do 19 e jo se gains are omo ye ene ne ma omo toto ama dollar see the net menya ahoden no osre Ghana for say omoma ne kwan no onye esan say yanhwe ya sa firefight approach knee-jerk reaction to dollar peja no ma tambe 500 million no mo de agum na obi ti baby onu ko atima tobe 50 million we ma toto na dollar na sa yira na afekura de na aginsem no o se sa approach no Ghana ya ye many years emwa ebi mo say papa no say na o sika obetimi de agum ma dollar na ba forma ade no onye na watra ma dollar nyinyini na ekosa Asante Boakye Aba
Yeni Oman
ya okoba na mo pom to say Asante ma me shall say free ho o ma ko sign peace pact Omanhene John mama say ye nkope mama na ayi sofo no obedi ade yemfa religion ni Islam ni Christianity ni to nchen na yenhwe de obetimi ama oman na konanim no track record oye mampani wanyi Islam na oni obi atran it is about to we enye ayi religion aye de obetimi abo oman no ono so reset Ghana ma me anso so upgrade Ghana Mamintiu
Oman on say etika na me can say sa peace pact na say din ketiaga say omonsan me ka say enye party ni position
Omanhene o kan boso asem
Omanhene da mahama na
o interview ni bisa na asem na ake kan boso asem tisi a Omanhene John mama akosan dia say din ketiaga no be
can me can say that position na on take it was personal na enye mo party na onyina
kasa boso sa
and Oman and Kabaya Nwa Sen campaign for Pentecost in for women na say omemu
Christian Council
Christian domino nyina na nka makọ tem bi say na say momra na momma nkosan na ya den Kabaya nim tie bokese because the Christians consider a larger number of the votes and for that matter one kwa enim tie kase obeda be kan nsem a kire yen asumdwe ne say be nya Christopher nko na hwehwe mewa eye omani nyina
traditionalist obia
yemu nkwada mputi tu no sebi mpenimfo mani abre pe asumdwe nyina most of them sebi obi won a passport obetimi bie so obetimi akọ ba nya ne hia mpenimfo de hia say omano before during after Ghana be say nya asumdwe na sebi do ton niam be koso aton ohia ni bi otini ba bi whatever will go on timi de mani age two with regards to say omano ye enye religion and for that matter enye on the religion a delicate discussion o ka some who nsem wo man we mo ya de a because you be like say we religion we nipa na doso and I say we so no nche say we be ka say we insignificant say the traditionalists for cry no omu wo say in our elections until the akoso no ampany for na ye ne beboa the man make no enye ye Muslimi ye Christoni and after all man say ka say leadership say be the arrowhead no kwa na sometimes ye wo ministers ya omo ye traditionalists omo ye Christians omo ye Muslimi for ni nyina ye oman nchichire enti se kodru ba bi na sebe Christopher no de obi ba be de man penye se ni mu ha is it because say bia sa nipa no wonti mu oman chinchira emfa na meye man penya na ana say bia edu mebe na say Christopher Muslimi ni bia oba so ni munye du because say ye pe Muslimi ye de man no you should look at the obia oman ye dru ijise obetim di oman na konkan no ena ye de oman na hyedensa ti de meme kan say election ya ye kwi Ghana for ena ekwakoto aba o ma wo ka vote ye baako me so me ka me vote ye baako I don't know no de mamu no nyina ba koto aba ma no wumpe wono na say uye di na trauma na mfi na na yo hihye yi na wo san kokko try say Ghana for the abonwa memawa enti de meme kan open say meni age at least that supposedly fear when say rumor na na say omon san me san na na amani pa bi ya kuma ekoso no nyankopon da roma enura empanifo na san ama asumdwe aba sebi omanye ne san keke sei na hia yen de me ken twato mi go ya san bi pen o di azie
we azie agensam ankosi aga
mo empanifo say ana mo say ma sirmanim mamuna mitrim yempe yemma ose ne enye oyo na yakosan Venice oman a park ye wi enkoso reflect na abato no ye hwese bia ya to aba wi basabase be beba no I was say ekoso wa na yetimi maintain the security ene omana sumdwi ne boa because what we can say come na enso mo chicha afọ no sebi bi ye eneme bi ye mfata eyade ha adwen ye simple for omomoa na asumdwe ni yenye ni say ya because obedi mampanye sa asumdwe ni omaye we dey kwai Timi nya asumdwe mu me.
Obedem po di mampany.
Obedi ni say.
Okay, yeah, ma mentie won so na there share Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nra or outlining a lot of issues are odema emebunu no adwuma utie bi no utie no pa okay mama ntie from that na fe wa behwe peace
okay Abraham me enra de course no omayade yasense bia se ne yasante okay ba me de me worry kakra wo saa ne ma no ho ye se akonta se yetimi hu se ye ba beto aba ye about 33 days to elections
my opponent
hu hia se ye masumdwi edi ehim ewo ye dwuma
ba cho for peace pact no bra I don't know ka ho asem we are now the by Dr. Mamba me ade no
ye hu hia yasumdwi but me worry ye se enema bi eboboba na eba besi ewo manimu aye nyina ye nitua yetia hu these people Christian Council
they sit
Pentecostal and they akotene
and watch it go on
yetu omayi mu sese hwede esi wo boko hwede ekoso
I want to say peace council
what a peace
Christian council ne peace council
Ghana Pentecostal and omuni church members wo boko
they have
check boko no they not Christians are they not Muslims are they not Ghanaians iti de mi busa ne say ne akoso wo boko nyina akwa chieftaincy any assassin issues then is Christian council ne Pentecostal council ne peace council say bia mo be frɛ the two parties involved ahemfoni mienu and answer whoever ye come sit down yemfa TV nsimu so e de ene yenye ka bibi kire won crofo so ka bibi okona okoye different na we hold you responsible then say you 33 days to elections mo ya de o minor sum bia ohia but ye kwa nyina ye koso wo boko fo so ye Ghana fo ene matese si chief justice ato court nyina mu se yenyo adwumefo ho no mu nyina mra matese banks nyina akra ya tutum gradually kroni ya ye amafo ye de ne sa na de no fo sa
okay say you started last year na boko for started free
yes
kawasem
yes
bupacho boko boko na Court of Appeal suko yi sa ruling no fiwa ohine no kokrum ho na
kokrum ade no eboboba ye hu ye ti ba ye behwe ne sa se edu election na na ye
na omo ya ama na ya amanyosem adani amanyosem
ho yes boko ade ni nyina akwa ya amanyosem entokwa ne to aso say ya a certain political party ebe benefit sa sumbie ba
a certain political party
so ebe benefit na ba kulusu itie ne ejantum na de ono no be benefit no one benefit but mestre peace council the Christian council enu omu nyina se ni ehun se ye ba beto about 33 days
mutumi kofre
NDC se chenchirenchira ye nsan mutumi convince NDC ama mampani dada joma mako akwa
ama napo
represent MPP ne Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia all the political parties
nano hininto
movement for change me hu se ne kosi alanchematia
Hassan Ayariga nano hininto ne kosi alanchematia
Hassan Ayariga nom nyina eko edi omunse kwa akohyase se oman no ye hia sumwie ye oniema nkete bi wososo ansefo no omom ye hu omaho keka wo hu
enya abato
akuta ya to aba 8 times meboa 8 times uhura edi ai in 2020 dia na manfo anka kikiri yakoto wie ya yakohyese dem kotratre TV uni radio hu a ye bobo abawie wan na ye de ai yani ye sorry ya ko e baby ti me dia mesre omo
na
yenye active
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so
na yenye yi akuta no Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ene mabunu kasai as usual obe can achievement ni niema waye ni na nye bad
was it a novelty
mi hu se mampani dada jomama edi kan ye bi ba ku bi oye ya se no gina se bukom arena baby bi alo gina mfinfi ono mo ne emebunu no ekasa
but they did it across the 16 regions
yes difference a woman
screens.
Yes.
At halls.
Yes.
I think it was
yes,
huge.
yes. And also so ne dia o de kan ho no say
what extraordinary was said there. Then I would say yeah.
Need some more what can ya na
like 1 million jobs and training of IT
yes. And na ori echo say baby and we are say ekeka kono.
Yeah.
Yentimi do without
we are in the fourth generation.
Yeah, niema no a oka ho asem amanfo fi say odwane e de free economy no ho na ebia ode digital. And oka
Doc, my name is Bernard Kujamuafuba in the internet.
You are very famous.
Nickname for you, maybe you have not heard it. I call you Bawi. So
thank you.
The whole world came to a standstill.
But my question is,
you can't throw away digitalization or digital in your life. Now, digital
in my line of work.
Everything in this world now.
Most of the times when you speak to them or you go to the ground and you're having conversations with them and you make them, the government has created 2.6 million jobs, and you go like,
Uber.
It is not reflecting. We do not have jobs.
Yes.
And that is like general atmosphere amongst most of the youth out there. Either they have been employed.
Abolish it even if it cost him the president.
Elon Musk,
continue to
Facebook. Zuckerberg,
he is not committed to it. It's just
apps
for political
TikTok.
expedience.
One of the richest.
He has touted in the past infrastructure as one of his achievements. But because our infrastructure record is superior to his, today he says that infrastructure doesn't matter for the economy. That the economy is different from infrastructure. How can that be?
And it's what they will be bad.
I mean,
people
really,
should also get themselves
for someone
involved.
Who has been president of Ghana to say the infrastructure doesn't have anything to do with the economy.
You can never run an economy without
then I understand why the economy collapsed.
There been a bank this year.
How
many people in a bank? I don't remember the last time I passed by even my bank.
To put it,
I don't remember.
It's very inconsistent.
Yeah, I mean, chow cash. I am
He opposed free senior high school, saying it was bogus and will collapse the economy. But today he says he introduced.
Why should I waste my time? Interoperability.
He, as president, introduced the teacher licensure exams. But today, he says he opposes it. He abolished teacher and nursing training allowance. He said he will abolish it even if it cost him the president. But today he says he will continue to pay them.
And for elections,
he is not committed to it. It's just for political expedience. He has touted in the past infrastructure as one of his achievements. But because our infrastructure record is superior to his, today he says that infrastructure doesn't matter for the economy. That the economy is different from infrastructure. How can that be? I mean, really, for someone who has been president of Ghana to say the infrastructure doesn't have anything to do with the economy, then I understand why the economy collapsed. My opponent,
musician now.
They say, and you need that by why you teaser.
He opposed free senior high school, saying it was bogus and will collapse the economy. But today he introduced as president, introduced the teacher licensure exam. But today he says he opposes it. He abolished teacher and nursing training allowance.
Share
the latest track.
By Wednesday, they are launching you.
He said he will abolish it even if it cost him the presidency. But today he says he will continue to pay. He is not committed. It's just for political expedience. He has touted in the past infrastructure as one of his achievements. But because our infrastructure is superior to his, today he says that infrastructure doesn't matter, but the economy is different from infrastructure. How can that be? I mean, really, for someone who has been president of Ghana to say the infrastructure doesn't have anything to do with the economy, then I understand why the economy collapsed under his watch. My opponent, the former president, to put it mildly,
intensity
of the fight.
To see the people of Boko, I doubt if they can go through
free senior high school.
There's no way. Now, virtually, the place is deserted.
Gradually, obey free crony.
But the cost of Boko no. At the moment, the security can do something about it. On say, oh my, the Amuna Assembly when say, oh, what to cry and cry, it stop a can quaim. Yes, any man near the Bako on my power. And a Kamaya say, one way are, Ubitine Obia or Connie baby, a good digger. Say, Boko me ya. There's nothing like a job. Banks are moving out. Cars are not going because Nipa not take anymore. So virtually everything is at a standstill. People are blaming the Court of Appeal. Say you could have seen the signs on the wall and say by. But when somebody comes to court, Yabane no, wako court wa appeal, Court of Appeal felt to say for 1 year, sa asem na omode to no so say ontumi nko boko ni sa nema no. Oye, he was enskin by Nairi, and a ho aba asem, and I see another chief ewo ho. Ono so fi say bibia ni ho traditionally esi ni kwan ko Nairi and the dini si ade so. And I yet to know. A come fast to know if and your pass. And 1 year, ya banano from going to Boko. Officer or ye overload. Or Busia. Or Nananom or Ma. Eti Aden also would deny no the right to say Uncle Nukru. Ghana how be anyway which may see the quiet so Uncle Nukru. It was also court and a court of appeal so happen so say Samrana High Court no Ede Bantono no any muntino or man lifty. Supreme Court I friend say Speaker Diana.
Attorney General went to Supreme Court to challenge that the ruling no, but they withdrew it. Omo withdraw because nanka no so ebe kwa inflame. It could have even been worse.
As a government, they take his stance on the matter. Say,
now the people of Mamprusi Fuonokrafi say, why is their government doing this to them?
NMA, the MPP parliamentary candidate, Owokromonomo suspending a campaign.
Yes.
When him said the Attorney General made a move and Osa withdraw ye.
On your mention.
He said, Omu yes I did.
Omu fi say the Mampusi people know are more of MPP. The Kusasis are more of NDC. Now Obatia, a Kusasi leader even made an announcement say Omu nyinanko twab entia MPP because to them no Omu fi say Mampusi for no the Omo ye no is because Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is the running mate and when he wins. But some other Kusasis are also saying, say, MPP for Kusasis in Tuabama Baumia. Now, Emfa Ahomanya Day, and son a minute. Now on Tuminia Day, because on Shaw Bosse, Sanya Manobichem. This old age long issue of land disputes, and even I'm your hinno, it will linger on. empanimfo no mpe pumasibre
akotani nyina so twa de ba besi se ye kuro yi mu a yetie ye de asem bi wo ho a yenka ena niema bi wo no ma yenye ena di ababade you a lot of things are yentron to ho enti se me se me ye dehye na bia me di ade wo boko a eyeye no ena wo ba asante ye se obusua dua no so hu
eno na asevu asante o
what start unya start ye be unsa dabi ukobo
na debo wa realize it na say obahwe a opem so asante mawura ofa book no oso no da ye so no da ye o na nanom be so no da ye enti
history no
eniwama from Ade Akye no be si ho ebepem ne oni bibia
history ne da ho a
otimi bolding obakai keke sapon de no o se nasefo no omane ba ko wanwo
oman nanse bi
na maame na wanwo no e de na otimi nya asefo mu mbedi ade
oman nanse ba ko bi si be kwa ha ya me bi akonta 35 years
yes
anhwemu che se oheman se bi oman ahini no ho
ba watra so for how many years
na ya maniji ya papa ba ko bi once what else be 41 years wonya be okobe nente yesu ana nan omunhwemu mu se ampa papa no ohwe krono su emre bi ana omu jama no
omu ni bema
ana omu ko kan tanto so ana nana kan se onye kan se odi entam na yaka no me amhwemu mu se wo wonya hene ba me pese wo hwe se kopin so obewuo
na sa wo de
na sa wo de na
ko so de ana metu
nim no kwa
abra wonim no kwa oyini so tu no
enti yakota ye kuye nim no se niam na bi wono ma se ne na no was it the chieftaincy minister no ka se niam bi wono mo se started trot
oye wadwuma pa ayi asama batin
sa niam no akonya wei eye these people na edie wei kroma se okwa we num na di ade
ensase ne ye we mu dia
we num na bia ensase ne sa niam no se yan kan fi wa ya what southern sector say na bia niam ni bi wono ma be fa ne tra if you go up north sa niam no omo
ya count to the team say omo na di ade
enti even if
enya no kra da ne team onu be hu
enti ya be stress say niam ni
Ricardo
yentintim ngu ho na be boy
the producer atra de bia ma me na so giving small chickens for would-be poultry farmers with the support from Exim Bank and empowering youth with digitalization. Which one is the best?
Ghana for ne betchre.
Ghana for betchre. Kuko get
ene
na ya ma Exim Bank support and the digitalization. They are in Ghana for pay.
Ghana for betchre. Now you there my bro me Man City da from
oh shasa me catch also me catch na no ye come catch us say team no nye
injury no cry injury
be say team nye wa no den Ricardo now what to say kotokoso ye share wa mo na has so e
na man for see empam
has a winning
ko share media mo
day no
coach no an team
media for na
that coach obi ni tie ne yana
dey coach
okoye we yana
watra
wakoye se ekuo bi ade o mpa ne se obebo aje o so obo na baso anu omuna the next time obey ne baso
na twi de wasre pa o sisi aje baso na hye ma hye go no last time
say me koso asre a eno say he eno Hans Flick on me send a message e call Barcelona platform bi so o mfama no
okay
ya bo first time ya 3-0 ya ko ba ya no because Champions League where you almost ayi Casado ayi boys referee afebe Espanyol for na obanya ahode o ni ebo
na onim how that Espanyol dey binete endina omo da nezo kakra bia say yes
ko foi ti ba ko be wo mo ko tintiri wo mo se goals mienu ni nyina offside afem 12 hey has the flick ye ni agro sawa o Espanyol derby no wo mo ba o ma sakro mo ntwema sawo. What is the meaning of that? I was here for Emrana son said agudi neighbor.
Munya abotrema ko coach no.
Achesa no munya abotrema yi. Ba ko de be say. Eric Ten Hag. Omo say nya abotrema ko coach.
Ogum de say no one.
Omunya abotrema no. Omunya abotrema no. Ten Hag omunya abotrema no. Ti we so omunya ma no. Mini akaja so